I thought this was gonna be artistic and stuff, but now it's just me being awkward. Hey guys, my name is Darko. So I'm guessing none of you have gone outside in the past week. Oh, you're saying you have. None pizza eating, none Nutella eating, none Netflix watching, none awkward, none relatable teenager. But all you awkward, relatable teens, I know you haven't. So I thought I'd help you experience nature. Cause y'all bitches need nature. Plus I just wanted to record what of spring we have left. Cause girl, summer is here. So without further ado, I'm gonna sneeze. So without further ado, I give to you nature. So those were all the clips. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up and comment below what video you want me to do next week. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. You'll be notified every week when I upload new videos. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.